AVI Global Trust was first established as a company over 130 years ago in 1889. The relevant history, however, begins in 1985, when Asset Value Investors, or AVI, became the investment manager of British Empire Securities and General Trust plc. And over that 37-year period, the investment philosophy has remained broadly consistent. Today, we continue to focus on areas of the market that are neglected and overlooked and mispriced by other investors. AGT's portfolio is relatively concentrated. We tend to have no more than about 25 core holdings in our portfolios at any given time. However, each of these companies tends to own a number of different businesses across a variety of different sectors and countries. This means that in effect, our portfolio is extremely well diversified, which is an important way of reducing risk across the portfolio. AVI Global Trust invests in a variety of different companies around the world. The one feature they have in common with each other is that they all trade at discounts to net asset value. So whether it's a family-controlled holding company, a closed-end fund, or an asset-backed special situation, we believe we are investing in good quality businesses that trade at discounts and that have the best potential of growing in value over time. This is a very similar objective to that of family-controlled holding companies. Very often, these family-controlled holding companies own high-quality businesses, and they tend to operate with a conservative approach, which creates the perfect partnership between us at AGT and these family companies. Often, these companies can be quite complex and difficult to understand, and that also contributes to the mispricing. The greatest pricing anomalies tend to be in areas of the stock market that are neglected and overlooked by other investors. And this is important because diversification is a good way of mitigating risk. An example of a family-controlled holding company that is currently in the portfolio is Exor, which is listed in Italy. Exor is the family holding company of the Agnelli family, who are the founders of the Fiat car company. Today, Exor has investments in a variety of different companies, such as Stellantis, Ferrari, The Economist, and Juventus, the football club. Another example of a family-controlled holding company is Christian Dior, the French-listed company controlled by Bernard Arnault and his family, through which he controls the family's stake in LVMH, the luxury goods company. Not all companies within AGT's portfolio will be as fashionable or as well known as Christian Dior. And that's because our primary focus is on valuation rather than on momentum or building a portfolio full of names that are well known to our investors. We also invest in conglomerates, which are similar to family-controlled holding companies in that they operate diversified portfolios of businesses, but they tend not to be controlled or dominated by single-family shareholders. One such example in our portfolio today is the Japanese-listed conglomerate Sony, which operates a number of well-known businesses, including the PlayStation gaming business and a very successful movie and music entertainment business. The key change that I've made at AGT since I became the investment manager has been to expand the investment team at AVI and to develop our proprietary research capabilities that today numbers 11 investment analysts, a substantial increase from the 2 or 3 investment analysts we had back in 2015. Having a larger investment team has enabled us to carry out more detailed proprietary research. It's boring to invest in the same companies as everybody else. We're interested in the companies that are overlooked by others, and having the extensive research capabilities in-house enables us to dig deeper into our companies, to look off-piste and identify the hidden gems that others are missing. The ambition of AGT is to continue to deliver the strong investment returns and outperformance that we have delivered for our shareholders over the past 37 years.